The greatest revolution in human history has arrived.
What if I tell you that you can edit your DNA and parents can choose the quality they want their children to have? A technology that can find a cure for cancer and fight climate change. We can stop aging and humans may become immortal. This might seem like a science fiction movie, but it is not long when it can become a reality. Gene editing, a promising solution for all the major problems that we face today. But it also brings with it huge and horrifying risk like biowar and puts a big question mark to its use. What is gene editing and what are its advantages and the potential risk it carries? Let's find out in this video. Though it is getting a lot of coverage these days, gene editing is not anything new. Its foundation dates back to the 1950s. Genetics is passed down from parents to offspring and making changes in the human genome. The 3 billion base pairs of deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA could not be possible. To overcome this, two scientists, Emmanuel Carpentier and Jennifer Doudna, discovered a revolutionary technology, CRISPR-Cas9, for which they also won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. CRISPR is a family of DNA sequences found in the genomes of prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria, and CRISPR-Cas9 is a powerful tool for editing genomes. It allows researchers to easily alter DNA sequences and modify gene function. This seems really good, right? Because if we can change genetics, we can change everything from the color of our eyes to curing genetic disorders. But every coin has two sides. As the human population grows, demand for food crops has drastically increased. We need crops that have a wider adaptability, better quality, and be resistant to drought and temperature. In order to achieve this goal, we need genetically modified crops. But people are not ready to accept it. As per Pew Research Organization, 39% of Americans believe that modified crops are unhealthy and only 10% think it's good. But what if I tell you, the food you ate today was genetically modified? Yes, only a small portion of what you eat is natural. Because the crops you see today, and if you go back in history, they will be completely unrecognizable. And here's an interesting fact. Each banana is a genetic clone of another banana. Cloning can be done by reproducing by seeds, natural cutting, and by artificial methods like hormones. And also by gene editing. Would you eat a genetically modified crop? Share in the comments. There are diseases that attack the DNA. It first infects the DNA of a single cell and then replicates throughout the body. Such diseases have treatments, but we could not find a proper cure that could eliminate the problem from its foundation. Until now, gene therapy replaces a faulty gene and adds a new gene in an attempt to cure disease or improve the body's ability to fight that disease. Gene therapy holds promise for treating a wide range of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and AIDS. It might also cure hereditary disabilities like deafness, but only future can reveal the true possibilities. In science fiction movies, we often see how by using a chemical, a common man becomes a superhero. But it is not so far this can become a reality. The real concern about gene editing is not really about curing diseases, but changing characteristics that don't need to be. If a single generation has edited genes, what that means is the change will continue to be present in his children, great children, until forever. This is called germline editing, which means editing the embryo while it is still in the womb. Which means that in future, parents might be able to decide the eye color of their child or their mental ability. Athletes can use it to dope by becoming more muscular or by having the ability to run more faster. It has already caused a global outcry and has faced a lot of criticism and protest. No one knows the future of gene editing, but one thing is sure. This will transform humanity.